Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a closet organization, the KONMARI method. So pretty much what that is just pick up whatever item it is and you just see if it sparks joy. If it doesn't spark joy, you toss it out. And I have so many things in there that I've just like held on to that I'm like, oh, when I lose weight, this is gonna look super cute, or I may need this one day for this, blah 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 blah. But honestly, it's just excuses to hold on to stuff that I don't need. So excited because today's video is in collaboration with Life with Kristen. She is super sweet and I'm just so excited that she asked me to do this collab with her. Kristen posts similar content over on her channel as I do on mine. She does a lot of clean with me's, decorate with me's. She even has some cooking and meal prepping content. She has a beautiful home and just a lovely personality. So make sure to go check out her channel and her KONMARI video right after you watch mine. To start with, I wanted to take out my husband's clothes. His clothes are right when you first walk into the closet, so I wanted to start from the entrance and work my way back. I was going to have a pile of clothes for him to keep and then clothes to hang back up, so that is what I'm doing now, just sorting those clothes.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Once I was done going through all of my husband's shirts, I wanted to go ahead and hang those back in the closet. I needed more room on the bed before I was able to pull out more clothes. So I went ahead and got all of his put back up, and then I was going to start working on my clothes. I just needed to pull out a few handfuls. I didn't want to overwhelm myself, so I just carried as much as I could at a time, and then I decided that since it is starting to get cooler here in Georgia, I was going to have a pile of clothes to give away, a pile of clothes that are more for spring and summer, and then the clothes that I was going to keep out for this season. I don't know about you guys, but I do like to separate my clothes and have only what I'm able to wear in the season in my closet at a time. This is just how we did it growing up, so let me know in the comment section down below. Do you keep all of your clothes in your closet or in your drawers all year, or do you like to separate your clothes as well?
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush.
Once I was done getting all the hanging clothes, I noticed I had a few piles of clothes on the floor and overflowing in baskets at the bottom of our closet. And really what this pile contains is clothes that I had bought recently from a thrift store, and also clothes that I had tried on to wear and changed my mind and got something else and didn't hang it back up. I don't know if you all do this, but sometimes I like what I'm wearing for a few minutes and then I change my mind, and I don't always have time to hang everything back up as soon as I'm done picking out what I'm going to wear for the day. As I start finishing up getting all the clothes on hangers, I'm going to just separate my clothes as I hang them. So I used to do this by color. I've done it actually several different ways, but in the KONMARI method, the way she describes doing your clothes is to have your longer items, such as like your dresses or your long skirts, have those on the left, and then things that are shorter, have them on the right. So it just kind of like moves up from left to right. I think that's how you say it. But there's something about that is just like really appealing to our brain, and it just makes us happier. So I'm all about being happier. I'm a pretty happy person as it is, but I'm always looking for other secrets in happiness.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
This here is the pile of giveaway clothes. Most of these clothes I've just been holding on to because for several different reasons, really. Some do fit, but I just don't ever wear them, and I think that I may wear them at some point. Some of these clothes I've literally had since like high school, and it's just time to go ahead and get rid of them. Now that I'm a mom, I feel like my style has changed dramatically from when I was in high school. So it was just time to get rid of some of these clothes and free up some space for when I add more.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Even though I was not able to tackle the stuff that was on the top shelves, it feels so much better to have clothes in here that I know that I'm going to wear and the clothes out that I'm not going to wear. Not to mention, a clean floor is a happy floor. If this video provided you some organization motivation, don't forget to check out Life with Kristen, because she is going to be doing KonMari in her bathroom. Guys, thank thank you so much for watching this video. I sure hope it gave you some motivation to see what items in your closet spark joy or don't spark joy. And remember, if they don't spark joy, toss them out and go ahead and organize that closet. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you a subscriber, and hit the like button down below. I'd love to also talk to you in the comment section down below. And